really killed you guys, huh?
No, he's saying that they did.
Oh, okay. Was he like violent or anything like that?
Swinging the chainsaw ahead, and I told him, "Where's mom and dad?"
I figured that. Yep.
And I told him, "You need to call the police because that's assault, and he cannot." Thing is, his mom.
He's not right in the head. He got put in jail here a month ago, and they kept him in there for 15 days, and he.
What's his name?
Hi, what's going on everyone? So I just got the new Casio watch, as you guys saw in the beginning. This is Casio F105W. So in my previous video I showed you guys my first G-Shock and Casio Royale, and that again kind of sparked my interest in digital watch, my affection for digital watch. So I started to kind of look into that, and this is my third Casio watch. It's really light, and it's all resin. I think it's, I don't know, it's a little like aluminum or something, little metal here, but it's really light watch for about like 30. I think it was 40% off on Amazon. It was like a $20 almost, I believe. And first off, I was going to get a Casio F91W, and I have some picture up here, and I believe this is like the most iconic digital watch of Casio. And I was gonna go get that, but then I found out, it's really iconic, which is cool, but I felt a lot of people would have that, so I wanted to get something different. And also, that one doesn't have, I believe, the backlight, or the doesn't say illuminator like this one does. And this one has like really like nice backlight. And F91W doesn't have it, or they have different kinds of light that just not as good. So I decided to get this one. And I actually would like to show you guys my collection here. Then my watches, and I probably need another box sometime soon, because I want to have box dedicated for only like mechanical watches and also digital watches. So this is my G-Shock. This is my Casio Royale. And I also made a video about this too a couple weeks ago. And this is a like little the cloth, right? The strap is a little fabric, and I think it's unique, so I wanted to get that. But I really love just the full resin as well, because it's really like they can get wet like all they want, and it's not gonna really damage them. Like I feel like the cloth, it would have to take some time to dry up, which is gonna be a problem. But you kind of feel kind of nasty, right, when you have your strap and it's kind of wet. It dries really fast. It's really cheap, really light, so it's like a really beat up watch. I probably wear this a lot in the gym and summer where I get sweat on my wrist. It's really cool. And this one has, it's a quartz, so I don't know how long it's gonna last, but in a couple years I'll be good to go. I don't have to change the battery anytime soon. Put this up. Yeah, I actually love this one better than Casio Royale actually. It's really small and really easy to see. I love this blue. And I believe the Casio F91W also comes in like full blue. The case is blue and stuff, but I couldn't find it on Amazon. Maybe they're sold out. And also I like the F105W because of the light, and I think it comes in a little bigger body and stuff too. So I think this is good enough size. I love that. Be nice. Yeah, this is it. It's still 40% off, so it's like $17. Really cheap. The F91W is now $21 something on Amazon, which it is also cheap too. And this is, yeah, really nice. Like, it's really cheap, does the job really good. And yeah, this is like again, this is durable. I think this can take up a lot of abuse. But also, even if this gets like broke, I don't care. Just buy a new one because it'll be cheap anyways. It has like a alarm and stopwatch. I believe this is the the mode where you can adjust times and stuff. Yeah, a lot of features, really nice. Alright guys, this is all I got for you guys today. Thank you for watching. If you're interested, you should just buy it. It's cheap, with high quality watch. You're not gonna regret it, for sure. And I'll probably make a more like a short videos just to kind of show off. This watch is really cool. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.